Roam 2 versus JBL Charge 5. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. And also watch the video till the end. Sound quality. Roam 2 provided clear balanced sound with rich bass and detailed heights. And Charge 5 provided powerful bass, clear mids and heights. So Roam 2 is better. Now let's look at the portability. Roam 2 provided compact, lightweight, easy to carry portability, and Charge 5 provided larger, bulkier, but still portable. So Sonos 2 is better. Now let's look at the battery life. Sonos provided up to 10 hours of playtime in the battery life, and JBL provided up to 20 hours of playtime. So JBL is better. Now let's look at the waterproof rating. Sonos provided IP67 dust proof waterproof up to 1 amp for 30 minutes waterproof rating, and JBL provided IP67 dustproof waterproof up to 1 amp for 30 means. So both are equal. Now let's look at the connectivity. Sonos provided Bluetooth, Wi-Fi support, Apple AirPlay 2, Google Assistant, Alexa. And in JBL, Bluetooth Party Boost to connect multiple JBL speakers. So Sonos 2 is better. Now let's look at the charging options. In Sonos, USB-C charging, wireless charging pad available. And in JBL, USB-C charging, no wireless charging support. So Sonos 2 is better. Now let's look at the smart features. In Sonos, built-in voice assistant, Alexa, Google Assistant, Wi-Fi integration for multi-room audio is available. And in JBL, no smart features, focus on Bluetooth connectivity, so Sonos 2 is better. And in the last, let's look at the price. The price of Sonos is generally more expensive, and the price of JBL is more affordable, so JBL is better for budget-friendly users. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.